I think the average homeowner doesn't think of their heating and air conditioning person or company as a solution provider to the air quality issues that
Well,
might
we know that
exist,
they
right?
don't because they spend tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions of dollars on those little room air purifying systems, thinking that that's the answer. So you hit the nail on the head. I don't think homeowners think of their HVAC guy when they first think of indoor air quality. I think they think of buying it online somewhere, and that's so far off base. And that's again why you and I need to talk about these things more.